Imagine rethinking surface installation from scratch. No longer a manual craft tied to dust, glues, and downtime, but a precise, clean, and repeatable industrial process. The world of construction is changing, and with it, the professionals who bring those surfaces to life must evolve. Today, traditional wet installation reveals its limits: demolition waste, toxic chemicals, and long drying times. But the future of architecture is magnetic. MagFace is not just an accessory, it is a system technology engineered in the factory to revolutionize the construction site. With a thickness of just 1 mm, our global patent transforms porcelain tile, wood, and stone into modular, reusable elements. To lead this revolution, we created the MagFace Academy in Reggio Emilia, a true innovation lab. This is where the real leap in professional quality happens. It is not just about learning a technique, but acquiring a standardized, controlled method. In our academy, the tile installer evolves, moving beyond pure manual skill to become a certified professional installer. Being a MagFace certified installer means mastering a technological ecosystem guaranteed for up to 30 years. It means knowing how to manage advanced substrates like MagFlex mat or MagMixture plaster, and ensuring an unbeatable vertical hold of up to 110 kilograms per square meter. Upon completing the course, passing the technical test certifies a skill that the market urgently demands today, that of a dry lay installation specialist. Choosing MagFace means embracing the sustainability of the UN 2030 agenda and reducing time and costs by 40%. Don't stay anchored to the past. Evolve. Become a partner in innovation. MagFace Academy, your future is certified.